Okay. Hey guys, we're back to another video. This is my friend Abidjan. Whatever. Okay, my friend Abidjan said to make a paper airplane video. The paper airplane that I made at school because he thought it looked cool. So, you're gonna need scissors, but I forgot scissors, so I will get them after. Yeah, you can get them after. Okay, first, fold it in half. I am not doing this for no reason. It's pretty late. It's like 7 or something. That was the weirdest way. It should be symmetrical, and it's not symmetrical for me. For me, mistakes are actually good in this paper airplane. Mistakes make it better. What? Okay, if you're done that, I think I'm recording, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I am. Okay, then do this. One sec. Do this, both sides. Not this. First of all, not down here. On the other side, this side, where you did not do it. It has to be symmetrical. Else it's not gonna be good playing. Hey, what you want? If my mom edits this video, she will make it have songs, and she will not let you hear my voice. Okay, your paper airplane is done. I'm just kidding. Okay. Undo the. I just want to see that again. It looked like it was yoy, and I said yoy, not like this. That's all. Okay, unfold it so it can be that. Yeah, like this. On this side, I'll show you what to do. It has to be on this Pacific side. Not the Pacific Ocean, but okay. Do this both sides. So on this side too. Not okay. I will teach you. If it was like this, still like this, you would do it on both sides. But since it's like this, you do it still on both sides, just like this. Okay? So then you do this everywhere. This feels like this is from the 1980s. I mean, not the 1980s, not that early. Okay. I feel like this is from the like 1930s, not the 1930s. I don't think they'll add color. I think like in 1960s. That should not have color. 1980. I'm just kidding. 1970s. Linear airplane. I'm just kidding. That's the most classic paper airplane. If it's done like this. Okay, I know a better one. Do this on this side, on this side. I will show you. It is going to be a big surprise, and you will not believe me, but it is going to come out good. Really good. I am not going to stop this video because I do not know how to cut videos. in the world. And you heard what I said? I said, Mommy. Mistake made it. Make. Okay. No. How? How did this happen? Look. Boing. This side. Oh, wait. How could this be? Okay. I am not. Okay. I will be mad if that is true, but firstly, let's get this out of the hand. I'll show you what to do. Do not do this by yourself. You can do it by yourself. Just watch the video. I mean, you don't have to have some parent supervision. It's not biased or other things that are. Yeah, I think I know. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. Okay, this is weird because like the thing. Pause the video. Okay. Sorry that it was like this. Yeah, but do it on this side. Okay, both sides are symmetrical. Or symmetry. I'm gonna learn symmetry next. Yes, and tomorrow, which is that way, not that way. This is the future. That's the past. Okay. This is not good, but pretend it is. And then we're going to put this back up. She's like, how? Not this. Yeah, I know, weird. But this is how. It's not, it's actually do that. Look. Do this. Okay. And then. Okay, now it is time for the ultimate scissors to come in handy.